This week I'm testing the new Isuzu D-Max, and this is the X-Terrain top spec model, and these are our top 5 family friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the D-Max is packed full of the kind of drive assist safety features you'd expect to find in a family SUV, not a ute. It's also the first ute to have 8 airbags, one that comes up in the centre here between the front passengers in the case of an accident. Number 2 are the dashboard cup holders. I absolutely love them, they're so practical for holding your tea or coffee while you're driving along. Number 3 are the rear air vents. They're in all models across the range of D-Max. They're great for keeping little passengers cool while you're driving along. Even better, they have a HEPA air filter which removes a lot of the pollutants that cause a lot of allergies. Number 4 is the X-Terrain model has these Sailplane Shades, which are really good for protecting rear-facing passengers from the sun shining in on them while you're driving along. Number 5 is you can start the engine of the new D-Max on the X-Terrain model automatically, just using the remote control. Also, the doors will lock automatically when you walk away. I have loved driving the D-Max this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.